Yes.
Okay, so good morning, Shubhen.
Yeah, very good morning, ma'am.
And your picture is frozen, I don't know.
Am I not visible to you?
You are visible, but sometimes your picture is getting frozen.
I don't know. Maybe I'm not having proper connection.
Okay, let's just start the conversation. Good morning, Shubhen. How are you? How are you doing?
Yes, I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for your kind concern. So, how's everything at your end? Okay, before we dwell into, let's just do one quick round of introduction.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
So, would you please introduce yourself?
Yes. So as you know, my name is Sugan Kumar. I'm from Sarsa Bihar. Recently, I completed my graduation in mechanical branch. When it comes to my hobbies, so my hobbies are playing cricket, reading books, listening to English podcasts. Yeah, that's
Mhm.
all about me. And recently, I also created my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is God's Child Suman. Yeah, that's about me, ma'am.
Gods?
Child Suman.
Oh, wow, beautiful name. God's child, Shubhen. Okay, so what is the
Yes.
logic behind it? It is something unique.
I'm a devotee of God. There is no particular reason. That's
Hmm.
why I thought why should not, put this name.
I'm also devotee of God.
Yes. You should also put.
Okay, so let me just take a moment to introduce myself as well. My name is Rekha Vinesh Sharma, and I'm connecting you from the capital of India, Delhi. And I have a YouTube channel where I'm growing and helping others to grow. So that's all about me.
Yes. No, no, no.
Network is I don't know why it's so disturbing.
Still,
Are you on Zoom?
no, ma'am. I'm on phone.
No, no. Do you have Zoom app? Okay. So let's just okay.
Yes, yes.
But you are recording through phone, right?
Yes, yes. Right now.
So Zoom will not work on phone. Okay, no worries. So okay, I have seen couple of your videos.
Yes, ma'am.
Seen couple of videos, and there you were talking with English Yari tutor. So have you taken the classes from there?
Yes, I have taken classes of tutor. English theory. I had only few sessions I can say. That time I was quite busy with other work, so I was,
Hmm.
not taking classes. I had only 5 to 6 classes.
Was it useful for you?
Yes, so it was helping me, I can say.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what kind of help? I mean, did you get from there?
When I started learning this language 4 to 5 months, that time I was taking. So that time I was not able to speak. I can say 2, 3 words in a row. When I joined, after that I was, progressing. I was learning, and
Mm-hmm.
there were many, I can say, tutor they were teaching me.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you follow any
Yes.
kind of method, technique to polish your communication skill?
Yes, everyone was telling me you have to read, you have to listen podcast, English, whatever you are doing, because
Okay.
I have already told everything. I am reading.
Okay. Apart from this, what are your hobbies?
Not as I'm reading books. I have purchased 2 to 3 books: The Power of Subconscious Mind,
Mm-hmm.
Atomic Habits, and The Catcher in the Rye. So I have read so far, 20 to 35 pages of that book.
But what is your best skill? I mean, do are you into reading, listening, writing?
Listening, I'm into listening.
Okay, you are into listening. Okay,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
still you are doing multiple things.
Yes.
Reading, writing.
But,
Don't you feel sometimes
talking.
bored? Don't you feel sometimes bored when you are not doing something which is not interesting? I mean, which is not of your choice, of your part of your choice.
Yes, I can say reading books because I'm not into reading. So nowadays I'm trying to read at least 2 to 3 pages on a daily basis. So I feel bothered. Why I'm reading and will I get something from that book or not? So I'm
Mm.
feeling like that. But I
Hmm.
have to because if you have to learn, you have to learn. You have to do something other from then you can learn. So I'm reading at least.
So, do you really think that listening is more important than reading, yeah, or reading is important than listening?
Reading, I can say reading is more, listening is more important reading, because if you listen,
Uh-huh.
then you will get idea.
Uh-huh.
So
But what
listening for me, I can say I have listened.
mm-hmm. But what I believe, just follow your interest, right? It may be
Yes,
writing, it may be reading, it may be skill, speaking skill, anything. Just follow your interest, because if you are following your interest, it will help you to grasp the knowledge quickly,
yes, ma'am. If you,
right?
yeah, because when we were child that time, I didn't have any, knowledge of grammar. I mean, part of a speech proposition, but still I learned. That's why I thought we have to follow the same thing, whatever I was. I mean, in a starting, I was doing.
Hmm. Okay. Great, great to know that. So, what is the purpose to create YouTube channel?
Because I'm learning, I want to develop my communication. Because when we talk on voice call, I feel very confident. When it comes to on video call, I feel underconfident. So after having session, just I try to watch, where I was making mistake. Then I'm trying to work on that. So I think
Mm-hmm.
this is the best way to improve our communication. Then
Hmm.
I'm think this word and this sentence were not supposed to be talked about.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, it's
I'm
very
working on that.
important.
That's why I created.
Yeah, it's very important because when we are connecting through audio call, that time we become actually lenient. We become
Yes,
lenient because we have the notion, we have preconceived notion. Nobody is looking at us, right? So we feel like, oh,
yes,
let's just talk like in that way. But when we connect through video call, that time we have to pay attention towards the co-learner as well, right? We have to maintain the eye contact. We can't sit like in a simple way, right? We have to give smile, maintain the gestures, expression. I mean, communication is actually divided in two parts. One is the communication like verbal communication, another is non-verbal communication. Verbal
yes,
communication like we are talking right now, right? And non-verbal communication when we are using our gestures, facial expression, and using our face like visual aids. Yes. So that
voice
all,
modulation.
voice modulation, intonation, everything, that all things together when we mix, right? That
Yes,
time it becomes a good language. Definition of language is like that. Language of communication. If I talk about the definition of communication, means everything you have to mix. You have to go with everything. I'm not saying that you will get everything in one go, right?
yes,
Gradually you will learn everything. Just try to be
yes, ma'am.
consistent. Just try to be
Yes,
consistent, and on daily basis assess yourself, and find out your mistake, and make sure that you will not commit the same mistake in your in another conversation.
yes. We have to learn from our past mistake and experience, and we have to learn every single day.
Yes, every day, single day, if you feel like that. I mean, don't impose anything. I mean, don't take the burden that I have to learn from every day. If you take a
Yes,
burden, kind of bucket on your head, I have to learn
yes,
something from my day, whether it is useful or not. So I feel you will not learn it. So just go with the easy step. Don't take burden. Be relaxed, in a chill pill manner.
yes. It doesn't come overnight. It's the result of consistent efforts.
Yes, yes. Don't be in haste. Don't be in rat race. Don't be in
Yes,
mob mentality. We always say that immerse yourself into this language. But what is the meaning of
yes,
immersing yourself into this language? What I believe that, and don't follow the other people, just find out your own method and technique. That is the real
yes,
meaning of merging yourself into this language. When you find out your own method and technique, that will help you a lot. Don't
yes,
copy the others. What other people are doing, that's their technique, that's their potential. Your potential, your technique may be different, right?
yes. You will have to find the way. No
Yes,
one
yes,
will do for you. Yes, I
yes.
mean, someone is learning just by reading. Someone is learning this language just by speaking, talking. So each and everyone has different style of study, and you have
Yes,
to find the way.
yes. On top of that, don't feel that, oh, today I don't want, I'm not in that mood to learn something. I don't want to practice. What I mean to say, just give at least 5 to 10 minutes for your speaking skill on daily basis. Because Small habits, small things always change bigger,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So at least give 10 minutes, 20 minutes to your speaking skill.
Yes.
Hmm.
And if someone doesn't have, I mean, any kind of partner to speak, so talk to yourself, I can say, because
Yes.
whatever you
Mhm.
have done, what are you planning to do, what you are going to do? Because I'm doing not, when I started, since then I have been doing like the same thing. Because I didn't have that kind of, friends who are able to speak, English with me.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely right. You can't get the partner every time, good partner, right? So you have to make
Yes,
your, you have to create own partner. That is you only,
yes,
right? So talk
yes,
to yourself, record yourself. If you are not getting the partner, don't depend on the other people, because that's your dream, that's your passion. For your passion, for your dream, you have to take an action. Without action, you can't make it up,
yes, ma'am.
right? Okay. Then what should I ask you? And okay, tell me
So,
how did. Hmm. Have you seen any of my videos?
yes, ma'am, I have seen 4 to 5 videos. I
Okay,
have seen
only.
you 5 to 5.
Okay.
Yes, yesterday I was, I
Uh-huh.
was watching your video. I,
Okay. So if I may
because,
ask, yes, please.
because not, because nowadays I'm not getting that much time because I'm preparing for government exam. My
Okay.
exam is about to come. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
I will try to watch every video of you, ma'am. But
No
after
worries.
some time,
No
after
worries.
giving,
No worries. No worries. The first and the foremost thing is your exam, right?
yes,
Right. So prepare for yourself for your exam. That's very important, right? Because if you clear the
yes,
exam, you will be able to settle yourself. You
yes,
will give a right direction to your career,
yes, ma'am.
right? Yes.
Yes, first I have to be settled. After that,
Yes.
learning it will be going great.
See, learning English is a lifelong process, right? Lifelong
Yes,
process. Sometimes you feel may feel weaker. Sometimes your footstep may take pause for it, right? But only
yes,
thing you have to sink in your brain that every day I have to speak at least 5 to 10 minutes. If I'm not getting too much time to speak on this language, doesn't matter. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, more than enough if you are, if you are busy enough.
yes,
See, everything easy when you are busy. Nothing is easy when you are not busy, right?
yes, ma'am.
Don't be
That's a good
slave.
word.
Yes. Don't be slave of your don't be slave of your mind, and don't be slave of your mood, right?
Yes,
Just try to tackle all this situation when it comes in front of you.
yes, ma'am.
Anything else you want to ask me?
So how can I overcome that, ma'am? I mean, trying when I talk on video calls, I feel underconfident, hesitant. So is there any technique? I mean, I want to know from you. Then I will try to do.
Okay, let me ask you one question. Are you still feeling underconfident?
Right now, I'm not feeling underconfident, but some before that, I had a session with someone. That time I was, totally underconfident.
It is just a part and parcel. I mean, when you connect through video call for a fraction of a moment, you feel underconfident. But later on,
Yes,
you tackle it. Later on, you tackle it. Later on, you know how to overcome from that situation. So what all
yes,
I mean to say it, learn how to tackle the situation. Learn how to tackle my fear when I connect through video call.
yes,
So the best technique for it, try to go with moderate pace.
yes, yes,
Give time to your brain when you connect with someone. When you are
yes,
creating connection from your mouth to the brain, give time. Take time.
yes,
Take a pause. That's how you will be able to tackle, that situation, that fear situation, that underconfidence situation.
we don't need to hurry.
Don't be haste, because nobody is going to harm you, right?
Yes,
Nobody is going to beat you. Nobody is going to abuse you,
yes,
right? So it's just that
yes,
take a pause, collect your thought for a moment. When you feel like that, now I'm confident, feeling confident, I can go with it, just go with it. Don't take pressure, whosoever is sitting in front of you,
Yes.
right?
And what's your yes. I know I already knew. I already know that but someone will be new. That's why.
When you are going to upload this video, just tag me,
Okay, ma'am.
English with RVS. Then people will get to know
Yes.
about the channel and all these things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I will send you this recording as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Anything else you want to ask, or we should wind up?
No, ma'am, I don't have that much question. And
Okay.
next time we will connect with a new topic. Then I will decide on to.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, then have a great day, Shubin, and good luck. Best of luck for your exams.
And all the best to you as well, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye, you too, ma'am.